want to not be on my. I can't really see what did I miss.
Hi guys, welcome to another video on Weekend Vibes with Shorna. Today we are cooking some chicken feet. That's 2 peas with chicken feet. Chicken feet, chicken foot, chicken paws, whatever you call it. Welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome if you're returning. Big up yourself for coming back. Thank you for liking, sharing, commenting, and also comment and let us know where you're subscribing from, guys. So keep watching. The peas is cooking. So I'm cooking the peas. I'm gonna cook it a little so that it's not so hard. Chicken feet is already seasoned up, so you can go and watch my video about cleaning up the chicken feet and seasoning it. So it has been seasoned for like 2 days now, so it's ready. So keep watching, guys. Okay guys, so the peas it's not fully cooked, but it's like halfway, so I'm gonna turn this off. I'm gonna add on this pan to get the chicken foot started. Our chicken feet. So guys, the chicken feet, I already cleaned them, chopped them up and seasoned it with powdered seasoning, and they have been marinating in the fridge for 2 days now, so they're ready. So I'm gonna get them started. I'm gonna use some olive oil, just a little. The oil is hot. Okay guys, I'm gonna put in the peas. So guys, I'm using some different seasoning, bell pepper, onion, scallion, thyme, and garlic. I'm gonna cut these up for the stewed peas. Okay guys, I'm gonna put in all the seasoning. And I'm gonna make a few spinners to add to it. I'm gonna fry some plantain. Plantain is done. Guys, the stewed peas with chicken feet is done. So then I get ready to eat. The rice is done. Some plantain. So guys, here I am with my stewed peas with chicken feet and some plantain on the side. I'm having some cranberry juice. So let's begin.
What the? Watch live, free music, where you are, and download the 7 music. Sit down now. Don't leave, baby girl. You don't want to sit down, you want to stand?
Yeah.
Want to stand?
Juicy. Juicy. Chicken feet. They're so good, guys. You can just eat all the bone.
Where's your socks?
Season to the bone. Let's try one of the spinners. This tastes so good, guys. So guys, remember to like the video, share the video, leave a comment. Do you like stew chicken feet with peas? Let me know in the comments, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.